This is a Paper Wishes exclusive craft paper with beautiful gold foiling. And here's an example of what you can do with this craft paper. There are 3 different pieces used here. You've got the dots, that beautiful gold foiling right there on the craft paper. You've got like a damask look and that beautiful stripe. So just strips of this paper layered to make a gorgeous card. You're going to get 15 sheets in different patterns. There are 5 different designs that I'll go through. They measure 11 inches by 12 inches. It's a little bit unusual, 11 inches by 12 inches. And when you, this is perforated at the top, so you can tear off this top strip, and that'll give you 12 inches tall by 11 inches wide. I took one of these off just to show you, if you wanted to do a scrapbook page with that, you could actually center it on a piece of black cardstock like this. I'm lining up the edges and centering it. And there you'll have a full 12 by 12 with these nice borders on the right and left. So that's how you can use it for a cardstock, for a scrapbook page. So it's pretty nice and heavyweight. So gold foiling on the front, craft on the back, and of course behind that design. 5 designs, 15 sheets. So let's get through to the next design. You've got 3 sheets, I believe 3 sheets of each of these designs. So beautiful, that beautiful flourish there. Then you've got, for a masculine look, you've got anchors. That's a nice look, I love that. Those nice big large dots, 3 sheets of that. And stripes, absolutely beautiful. We've got one more to look at. So shiny. I mean, you can, it's sort of, it's really a little bit of this is going to go a long way. You can use just a strip of it on the border, and then a nice wood grain. So this is going to be good for masculine and feminine, and it is a Paper Wishes exclusive.